Hello everyone! I'm sure you've heard the news by now. Sicilian rock salt is the new star of the culinary world. But why? Sicilian rock salt is the purest salt you can find. Formed millions of years ago, these crystals are free of impurities, making them an immaculate white. Unlike sea salt or pink Himalayan salt, which are potentially polluted, Sicilian rock salt has a unique history. It comes from ancient, uncontaminated salt seas, trapped in compact, impermeable rocks. This natural preservation keeps it intact over time. Sicily boasts several active mines. Places like Bosco Stinconi and Petrolea are renowned for their high-quality crystals. Imagine cooking with a salt that is literally a jewel of history. So, next time you are in the kitchen, remember, Sicilian rock salt is not just a condiment. It is a piece of the Earth's pure and ancient heritage, perfect for taking your gourmet dishes to the next level. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your meal.